you can improve your English? First of all, you are focused in fourth way. First of all, first L and second S, third R and fourth W. L means listening. Listening means you are every day 1 hours and 2 hours every day listening videos, songs. You are every day. After that, you are day by day improvement in English. You can easily speak English. First of all, you are listening every day properly, you can easily speak English because all over language you can listening, you can easily speak language. And L means listening and R means reading. You are every day reading newspaper and magazine and postcard and etc. You can read every day and cartoon book. You can read and Panchatantra and Champak book. Champak is the most important book in beginner. You are beginner, you can read every day. Champak book, you are easily all over book understand. Day by day improvement your English. You can easily speak English. First of all, Champak book provide and small sentences. You are easily understand all over sentence. You can easily speak English. You are mouth practice daily. Reading book day by day improvement easily. But you are not quit. You are day by day fighting with English, fighting with the struggle. You can easily speak English. You can't quit. You believe me. You can easily speak English. What you are everyday practice, mouth practice easily. You can speak English. And S means spoke. You are everyday speak English, and doesn't matter you are speak English. What are you wrong? What are you right? But your focus is you are at this time speak English. Doesn't matter that time all over person laughed with you. You are speak English not properly. What you are positive, create an attitude mind. At that time you can easily speak English. First of all, at this time you can start new work, yeah, new start shop. That time all over person created a negative thought. You can't do this work. You are not improve this work. That time you are thinking in negative positive attitude. And you are speak English mouth practice daily 1 hour and 1 hour, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. You can easily speak English. The day by day improvement your English because you are daily mouth practice. Your mother tongue easily remove day by day improve your English. Suppose at this time I can speak in English front of you. You believe me, bro. You are everyday mouth practice. You can easily speak English. And W means writing. You are every day writing in 15 to 30 minutes every day. Every day, first of all, you are that time you are seeing this book in Chapank book. You can read every day in read every day in mouth practice speak at this time also. What you every day writing means you are improve your English. You have a knowledge vocabulary. You have a lots of vocabulary. You can easily speak English. Day by day you improve your English because you can easily speak English. At this time I can speak English front of you. You can speak English. Believe me, all over people. You can easily speak English, but you can't quit your start now every time. Doesn't matter at this time you are speak English broken. What you continue speak English. First of all, I can't say you will be speak English only one day. What I am sure you can speak English. Become a one day you can speak English easily. You believe me, share my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.